Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'll be demonstrating the Burpsuite Community Edition for macOS installation. We're going to be using Burpsuite and intercepting web requests in this video as a demonstration of how to install Burpsuite for macOS M1. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up a new window or a new tab and go to search up Burpsuite. As you can see here, selected this one here, which is portswigger.net. You can also select this one down here, which is the Community Edition, so click that one. So once you get to this main page where it says Burpsuite Community Edition, just click on Go Straight to Downloads. As you can see, this is the main download page, so make sure that you select the right version that you want. So in this case it's Burpsuite Community Edition. Select that one and select your architecture type. So in this case mine is a macOS ARM M1, and just click download. So once it's done installing, go to the command spacebar, the search bar, and type in Burpsuite Community Edition and press enter. So now we're on the main page for Burpsuite Community Edition. Just click next and start Burpsuite. As you can see, this is the main page of Burpsuite. So this is the first thing that you will see when you open up Burpsuite. You can see here that we've got vulnerability types. You can see that we've got other crazy stuff going on in this area which looks obfuscated. So what we can do here is go to target, or you can see here that we've got a lot of options here. So if we go to proxy, you can see that Burpsuite has automatically installed the Chromium web browser for us to use to intercept web requests or other additional information. So for example, if we go to weevil.info, you can see here that the web interceptor is on, and we can see every single request that is happening. We've got the request parameters, body request attributes, request query parameters, and etc., and headers. So we can modify these requests by clicking on action and sending it to the repeater. Once it's on the repeater, we go to the repeater tab and we can modify any given code that is here, and then after that we can click send. But in this case we're not doing this. This is just a demonstration of how to install Burpsuite, and we've successfully installed Burpsuite. So in the next episode I'll demonstrate the usage of Burpsuite. In this case I'm not going to be doing so. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next.